Hey everyone, Dan from Lighthouse Window Cleaning here. Quick testimonial for Darren and the guys at Purple Rhinos Discover Soft Wash training days. I decided to go on the training because although I'd researched it for years, there's so many contradictions in the communities across Facebook and wherever you find your knowledge from. I decided to go and check out some of Darren's systems, which to me a lot more professional than some of the others on the market, and then attend his training day because again, through talking with Darren, his company that he owns himself, Purple Rhino, a very professionally run company, happy to answer my questions, so I thought I'd attend the training days. I went there armed with numerous questions as long as my arm. And the guys are more than happy to answer them. All the guys that come over from America, AC Locke and his team, more than happy to answer them during the day and in the evenings. I come away with so much knowledge, set up soft washing, made some great network from going to the events, some guys that I'm still in contact with now. Again, everyone's just in that atmosphere and attitude to help each other. Which is quite a lot different to some of the other groups that I've been involved in. So, I never looked back really since deciding to stay with soft wash systems and Purple Rhino. That's the way we're going now. We're doing really well and really looking forward to the future. They've got some great training events coming up for business development. Again, as you get bigger, you need this help, especially if you're starting out as a smaller business like ourselves. Looking forward to the future and so glad that I actually attended them training days and chose Purple Rhino and the soft wash systems.